So I came across this video of Madison Beer wearing this frill dress about a week ago, and I thought, when I have a bit more sewing experience, I should try to make that. And then I completely forgot about it and moved on. Until yesterday, when I was clearing under my bed and found this.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
She is my childhood Ariel doll wearing a frill dress held together with glue that I made when I was 9 years old. It has to be a sign from the universe that I need to make this dress right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I haven't even started yet and I'm already stressed out by these frills, so I'm just doing a few practice pieces to get the technique down. Now that the frills are done, I just need a skirt to attach them to. Luckily, I have skirt-shaped fabric left over from the t-shirt that I flipped in this video. This dress tired me out. The ruffles are good, but I just don't think this was worth the effort. Oh yeah, and I ran out of frills at the back. Okay, let me just try and style it. Alright, I like these outfits, but this project has still crushed my spirit. I guess the moral of the story is that the universe hates you sometimes,